Puma Hali 1 marks Tyrese Haliburton's first signature sneaker, debuting in September 2025 despite his likely absence for the entire 2025-2026 NBA season. Puma initially revealed only the Hibiscus colorway, which left fans underwhelmed, until designer Salehe Bembury expanded the lineup with fresh styles, highlighted by the highly anticipated blue edition. This version blends performance and artistry with engineered mesh, suede, and TPU layered across its build, enhanced by Bembury's organic, flowing paneling. His recognizable fingerprint motif is stamped onto the Nitro Foam midsole, working alongside a reinforced toecap, tonal icy outsole, and teal Puma branding at the collar. Haliburton's personal logos appear throughout, from the tongue to the heel and insole, reinforcing his presence despite not playing this season.